Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. Damn, started out hella late today. Today I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to at least do the passenger side seatbelt. See if I can do that. But first, I have to clean up. I have to just take off or take out the stuff I don't really need to carry in the car anymore, and see what I can do or whatever. But we'll see. Well, passenger side is there. Now you just gotta put it back together. Shit, where did I leave it? I think I left it here. Yeah. There it is. Fucking hate wearing gloves, man. What the fuck? Can't pick up shit with gloves. Oh fuck, they gotta make them like fucking welding gloves and shit, man. The fuck? Is this one? Oh. Da-da-da. I can't even fucking turn this shit at all. Oh, no digas que no es esa. Okay, so I saw this shit is stuck, so just shake it like her. Just shake them and go hella fucking slow. There's the ball bearing that's in here. You gotta okay. So this is the mechanism for the fucking new one. Well, there's a whole seatbelt, but this shit is stuck. I heard that the ball bearing that makes it loose or make it freaking like stop. This is inertia driven, I guess. So it locks when you like fucking hit it hella hard or something, and that's how they locked when there's a crash on the 240s back then and all the cars in general. So I guess you know. Just fucking keep on shaking it. You hear it? And it comes out. I did it the other day. Oh, it's so fucking annoying. It's a piece of shit. You know, I guess the battery's off. But I don't know how long I have to keep on doing this. I guess that was a message. think what I'm gonna do is bolt this one for this first one. It looks like this goes like this. And that's supposed to, once you get it through the outside, this will be in the bottom, I guess. I'm not sure how it goes. But I'll look at it, you know, through the video I saw. If it works, it works. If not, oh well. But it should have all the bolts. So, you know what? Let me go check it real quick. Damn. Okay, so I'm back. Hold on. Turn it down. Okay, so I can't really get this shit to work. I don't know how the hell I got it to freaking unlatch yesterday, or I mean the other day. Now I made a mess of fucking bolts and nuts and shit, and washers and all that crap in my car, or my seat. And I don't have them organized. I have one for the bottom. I don't know if I should use the longer one on the top. Probably seems unsafe to do that. So I'm probably just gonna take off the one of the fucking belt from here and use those bolts. So let's see if we could do that real quick, because installing is the last thing you're gonna have to worry about. So